Hello guys, welcome to next video by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating my next advanced project which is Expense Tracker. You can use this project for your personal purpose just by adding the amount that is credited in a bank account, and whenever you debit your account or let's say you spend money, just make a note of that in this app. If you do this for your every expense, then this project can simply summarize the data and analyze and represent the data in proper way in front of you, which will help you to track your expense and also try to make more saving month-wise, which will directly impact your yearly savings also. So this was a basic idea of this project. Now let's directly move to the practical implementation of this project. So as you can see, this is a computer screen where advanced Python projects playlist is open, as this project will be the part of this playlist only. Now let's directly move to the destination folder where the project is stored. So this is the destination folder and this is the main.py file, this is the requirements file, and this is a birthday.json file. Actually this birthday.json file contains the data which will help me to connect with the Google Sheets, as I have used database as Google Sheets for this project. So this JSON sheet has my credentials of that Google Sheet. Now I will simply show the project demo first. Let's open command prompt in this folder. So this is a command prompt, and now let's activate this environment. Expense 3.9 env. Oh, it's not required because I have tried here /scripts/activate and then hit enter. And as you can see, this is activated. Now let's type Streamlit run main.py. So this is the command line to run Streamlit project, as I have used user interface as Streamlit and backend as Google Sheets to connect my database where I will be storing all my expenses. So let's hit enter and let's wait for some time. So this is a project which is running on your end, and as you can see, this is a very simple GUI of this project, as for personal purpose there is no use of 3D or hi-fi GUI. So let's enter password. So I will simply type my password and hit submit button. So these three buttons are come in front of me, as you can see, which credit amount, debit amount, and monthly summary. So I will simply show you the monthly summary first, so that you can get an idea of the visualization or the monthly analysis of myself. And I have added this dummy data for demonstration purpose only. And as you can see, the data is appear month wise. So this is the data of month April, which is last month. So total amount credited in month of April is 5,000. Total amount debited is around 10,000. So saving is of minus 5,000, which means it's a loss. And the details of my credit and debit as in front of you. So on 2/4/2024, which means on 2nd April, 5,000 was credited in my bank account, and on 5th April I simply go to shopping mall and spend 10,000 rupees, which means I earn 5,000 but spend 10,000. That's why it's loss of 5,000 for me in month of April. Now let's move down and see month of March. So this is month of March data. So total amount credited was 1,000 rupees and total amount debited was only 100 rupees. So savings of 900, as you can see. So, and the reason of amount credited is Dadi's blessing and haircut. So you can add a real reason of your own, so that you can recall the amount credited or debited from your account at that particular moment. And moving ahead, this month of February details, and after that January details. And at the end of this, total savings in the last 12 months, so which is around 890 rupees. So in last 12 months I saved only 890 rupees. So this will give me an idea of my monthly saving also and yearly saving also. I have created this project to show the data of last 12 months only, but you can extend this deadline from 12 months to 24 months or 36 months according to your requirement. So currently it stores only 12-month data, and if the data is older than 12 months, then it directly deletes the data from database. Now I will simply show you the database first. So this is my database, which is expense demo, and this is the data entry that I have did. So in month of April, credit was NA but debit was 10,000 rupees, and in month of April only the credit was 5,000 and this debit is 0, which means whenever I do a data entry in this project, it will simply credit or debit. So in the case it will credit, the debit details will get filled with 0 and NA, and in case of debit, the credit and credit details will get filled with 0 NA, because in Google Sheets you can't keep the cell blank, as this creates a problem of fetching it saving the data from Python. So I have simply added this dummy data, and similarly goes with month of March, February and January. So this was basic database, and this is the output. Now let's try to add some amount. So I have simply clicked on this credit amount button. It is asking me enter amount credit. So let's add amount as 5,000 in month of May, because today's date is 7th May 2024, as you can see. So let's say 5,000 was credited from, let's say, my friend. So assume that I paid 5,000 to my friend in last month and he gave me back that amount. So this is that amount, and I will simply click on this add details button. So it is giving me some instructions that database is updated. Now let's move to the monthly summary to see the current data. So I will simply click here and let's wait. So as you can see, this is the monthly summary of current one, which is May. Total amount credited, which is 5,000, that we just enter. Total amount debited is 0 because we have not done any expense in this month, and savings will be of 5,000 because no amount is debited from our bank account. And this entry has also got stored in database in this format, which is this 7th May 0522, which is current date. This is current month, and this is amount credited, which is 5,000. Credit details means the reason, which is friend, and this 0 and NA. And let's try to debit amount. I debited 1,000 rupees. Let's say, so it's month of May. So I will simply write here to buy mango. So I will simply type here buy mangoes, or let's say purchase mangoes, as this is a mango month. So let's click on this add details button. So instructions and database is updated. So let's click on this monthly summary once again to see the output. So as you can see, the savings has declined from 5,000 to 4,000 as we purchased mango in this month, and also 5,000 was initially added in front of you only. And if you want to expand this table, you can just click on this full screen button, and this is output of the table. So this is a basic output, as you can see. Now let's click on this same button to minimize the data, or let's say the table. So this project can be really helpful for you always to track your monthly income versus monthly expenditure, and the output is in front of you. So it will simply appear in this form. So total amount credited in this month, total amount debited, and savings. So this can really help you to save a lot of money that you normally expend without thinking. And this month-wise saving will directly impact your yearly saving, which is this. So initially it was 890, if you remember, and now it has stand up to 4,000 because this 4,000 saving is added to that amount. And in the starting of this explanation, I told you that this project only saves the data of 12 months. So let's try to add some old data which is more than 12 months. And as you can see, this data is also added that we just inputted. So I will simply copy paste this data. So let's copy this last line only to save our time, and let's make this date of previous year. So let's make it 2023, and date let's make it 5th May 2023. The reason was we expend 1,000 rupees a year ago, or more than a year. So I will simply click on this main localhost program and just click on this monthly summary to see the output. So let's wait. There will be no change in this output, but that data will be get deleted. I will show you. So as you can see, this data has been deleted here. So this was all about today's project, which is Expense Tracker, your budget partner. If you liked this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you have any doubts related to this project or want the source code of this project, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or in comment section below. I will be happy to answer you all. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.